Good morning, all of you. Today is World's Ozone Day. Okay, so happy World's Ozone Day. Okay. In the last period, we started our lesson number 1. Which is our lesson number 1? Our Earth and Solar System. Our Earth and Solar System. We discussed some points also. Okay. Now, today we will see next point. That day we discussed about that Earth is planet, Sun, about the Sun is the star. Then how many planets are there? There are total 7 planets. How many are they? 7. Seven planets. Which are they? 7 planets. Which are they? Different planets are there. First is the Mercury, then Venus, Mars, then Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. About that. Now we will start the page number 2. Take out the page number 2. Again we also discuss what is meant by solar system. What is meant by solar system? You know Sun. Sun is the star and with that Sun all the 7 planets revolves around that. Then Sun, which is a star, and the planets which revolves around it together is called as solar system. Beside the planet, the solar system also includes various other heavenly bodies. Okay, so page number 2. Other heavenly bodies in the solar system. 7 planets are there. We know that 7 planets are there. But beside the 7 planets, other bodies are there. Other heavenly bodies are there. So, satellite. First is the satellite. Satellites. Okay. How many planets are there? 7. We already discussed about that. And then satellite now we'll see. Some heavenly bodies revolves around the planet. These are called as satellite. The heavenly body which revolves around the planet. For example, that is the planet. And some are heaven means that is the Sun, and these are the other heavenly bodies. It is known as satellite. Satellite to get their light from the Sun. Why? Because Sun is the star having its own light. We see the moon at night. It revolves around the earth. Hence it is called as satellite of the earth. Moon is the satellite of the earth. Moon is the satellite of earth. Moon is the satellite of the earth. Most of the planets in the solar systems have satellite. Most of the planet in the solar system have satellite. The planets revolves around the Sun. Okay. Now, for example, that is the Sun. These are the planets and it will revolves like that. What is meant by revolution? Movement in a circular path. And what is meant by rotation? Rotation means ऐसे. For example, I am rotating now. Observe. Okay. कैसे कर रही हूँ मैं? खुद के ही एक्सिस. ऐसे घूम रही हूँ ना? खुद ही होके घूम रही हूँ. Then that is the revolution and that is the rotation. Most of the planets in the solar system have the satellite. The planets revolve around the Sun. Along with their satellite. Dwarf planet. Now, next is the dwarf planet. there are some smaller heavenly bodies that revolves around the sun. They are called as dwarf planet. They are very small, negligible it is. Understand? They are known as dwarf planet. Of these, most of well known is Pluto. Which is the dwarf planet? Pluto. Dwarf planet revolve independently around the sun. They have an orbit of their own. They have orbit of their own. Orbit means what? Path of the movement. Path of the movement is known as the orbit. Asteroids. What is meant by dwarf planet? First one. Dwarf planet. That is the dwarf planet. Then next topic is the asteroids. What is meant by asteroids? Between the planet Mars and Jupiter, there is a band of numerous small heavenly bodies. They are called as asteroids. Asteroids also revolves around the sun. What is meant by asteroids? Asteroids. 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 What is meant by asteroids? Between the planet. Which planet? Mars and Jupiter. Between. For example, it is the Mars and it is Jupiter. Between these two, a band of numerous small heavenly bodies. The band, ऐसा patch है, ऐसा band is the small. They are called as asteroids. They are called as asteroids. Asteroids also revolves around the sun. Asteroids revolves also around the sun. Very small means asteroids is very smaller than the planets. Understand? We can easily observe the planet. Compared to the sun, other heavenly bodies in the solar system are much smaller. Sun is very big. Sun is the star. Sun is the hero of the solar system. Understand? So, as compared to the sun, others are very small. Others are very small. Moon is the closest to the earth. Who is closest to the earth? Moon. Moon is the closest. Earth के सबसे बगल में कौन है? सबसे नजदीक क्लोज कौन है एकदम? Moon. Who is closest to the earth? Moon. That is why it appears to be so big, although it is actually very much smaller than the sun. So it is very, we are observing moon is big. We can, if we look, we can easily see the moon because it is closer to the earth. It is actually very much smaller than the sun. Moon is actually very much small than the sun. But we are looking as a big. Why? It is close to the earth. A diagram of the solar system is given below on page number 2. You can easily observe your diagram. In that you see the sun is center, heavenly bodies that revolves around it and their orbit, planets, satellites, dwarf planet and asteroids are all the part of the solar system. Which are the part of the solar system? Sun, then earth, moon, 7 planets, dwarf planet and asteroids. All these are the parts of the solar system. In the diagram, page number 2, one diagram is given here na? On the page number 2, solar system diagram. Now we will see that. Observe your diagram. If you have books, observe your diagram. In the middle, who is in the middle? Sun. Who is in the middle? Sun. Then after the sun, which is the first planet? Which is the first planet? Mercury. Sun is in the middle. Okay. Near the sun, who is there? Mercury. Mercury is in number 1. Mercury's place is number 1. Mercury. Second position, who is in on the second position? Venus. Venus. थर्ड नंबर पे कौन है? ऑन द थर्ड नंबर हु इज देयर? हु इज देयर? मार्स. हु इज देयर? मार्स. फोर्थ नंबर, हु इज द फोर्थ नंबर? जुपिटर. fifth number is the, who is fifth number? Saturn. And sixth number is the Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Uranus, Neptune. And last number means 8th number, Pluto. अभी सबको लगेगा मिस ने यहाँ पे क्रॉस कर दिया है. वाई? इट इज़ द डॉर्फ प्लैनेट. मीन्स इम्पोर्टेंट है क्या? उसको इम्पोर्टेंस मिलता है क्या? कच्चा नींबू कैसे बोलते हैं हम? आप खेलते हैं ना कौन सा भी गेम, तो आप एक आधे जो छोटा है उम्र में, आप में से एज में जो छोटा है उसको आप क्या करते हैं? यस, खेलो, बट ही इज़ नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट. कच्चा नींबू बना देते हैं ना, वैसे ही क्या है ये? प्लूटो. ये है यहाँ पे 8 पोजिशन पे है, बट उसको कुछ वैल्यू है क्या? नो. इट इज़ द डॉर्फ प्लैनेट. अंडरस्टैंड? इट इज़ द डॉर्फ प्लैनेट. नाउ you can easily observe and you can give some answers of the question. Which is the important? Sun. Sun is in middle. We are discussing about the solar system. After the sun, which planet is on first position? Mercury. Second, Venus. Third, Mars. Fourth, Jupiter. Then Saturn. Sixth is the Uranus. Seventh is the Neptune. Understand that much? Okay. Small bands are there, patches are there, very small, then the smaller bodies, heavenly bodies than the planet. It is known as asteroids. It is known as asteroids. Now on the page number 3, we will come on page number 3. Can you tell? Here 5 questions for you. Now you should know the answer. Look at the picture of the solar system and answer the following question. First question is the, which planet is nearest to the sun? Which planet is nearest to the sun? Which planet is nearest to the sun? Answer is, tell me the answer. Answer is Mercury. Answer is Mercury. What is the spelling of Mercury? Mercury. Mercury. Okay. Which planet is the nearest to the sun? Mercury. Second, at what position is the earth from the sun? At what position is the earth from the sun? Earth. कहाँ पे है अर्थ दी हुई? वेनस एंड मार्स के बीच में, यहाँ पे. अर्थ थर्ड पोजीशन पे है. विच पोजीशन? थर्ड. अर्थ इज ऑन थर्ड पोजीशन. Which planet is placed between the earth and Mercury? Earth and Mercury. Answer is Venus. Here Earth. Mercury and Earth, इनके बीच में कौन सा प्लैनेट है? वेनस. VENUS, वेनस. Understand? Fourth question, name the planet beyond the orbit of the Mars in serial order. What is the meaning of the question? Name the planets beyond the orbit of Mars in serial order. मार्स के बाद में कौन से ऑर्बिट में विच प्लैनेट्स है? जुपिटर, सैटर्न, यूरेनस, नेपच्यून. We will not consider here Pluto. How many planets will be there? Answer will be 4 planets. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Understand? Okay. Which planet in the solar system is furthest from the sun? Furthest from the sun means सन से सबसे ज़्यादा दूर कौन सा प्लैनेट है? Furthest from the sun. सन से लास्ट में कौन सा आ रहा अपना 7th प्लैनेट? नेपच्यून. What is the answer? नेपच्यून is furthest from the sun. सन से सबसे ज़्यादा कौन सा प्लैनेट दूर है? नेपच्यून. NEPTUNE. Neptune. Understand everyone? Okay. Now, what we have discussed today? We have discussed what is meant by solar system. First of all, sun and earth, 7 planets. With the sun, the 7 planets revolves around the sun, are together called the solar system. Understand? After that we discuss the 7 planets. After that, satellites. Moon is the satellite of the earth. Moon is the satellite of the earth. Okay. After that we discuss dwarf planet. Which is the dwarf planet? Pluto. Pluto. Pluto is the dwarf planet. Asteroids. What is meant by asteroids? What is meant by asteroids? Between the planets Mars and Jupiter. There are bands of numerous small heavenly bodies. It is called as asteroids. Understand? After, who is closest to the earth? Moon is closest to the earth. Okay? And then we discuss the diagram of the solar system. Who is the center of the solar system? Sun. Sun is the real hero, leader of the solar system. After the sun, all the 7 planets are important. We will see one by one. Say with me: Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Which is the dwarf planet? Pluto. Pluto is on the 8th position, but it is not important. Understand? Pluto is the dwarf planet. Understand? Then what is your today's homework? You have to understand the diagram of the solar system and try to understand the position of the planets in the solar system. Understand? Okay. Now next part we will see next period. Okay. Goodbye. Be safe and take care.